Today I'm going to show you how to connect WooCommerce to Zapier in a simple step-by-step way so you can start automating your store faster and save time on repetitive tasks. Whether you want to connect your store for order notifications, customer workflows, or other automations, this setup is the first step to making Zapier work with WooCommerce. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to Zapier. Once you're on the Zapier website, look for the area where your app connections are managed. This is where Zapier lets you connect third-party apps to your account so you can build automations later. Next, click on App Connections. This will take you to the section where you can add and manage connected apps. From here, you'll be able to create a new connection for WooCommerce. Now click on Create Connection. This is the option that starts the setup process for a new app connection inside Zapier. Once you click it, Zapier will show you a search field so you can find the app you want to connect. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct app, since Zapier may show different results. You want the official WooCommerce connection so your store can be linked properly. After that, click on WooCommerce from the results. This tells Zapier that WooCommerce is the app you want to connect to your account. Then click on Add Connection. This opens the connection window where Zapier will ask for the details needed to verify your WooCommerce store. At this point, Zapier will ask you for your username, password, and website information. Enter the login details for your WooCommerce site carefully and paste in your website URL when prompted. Make sure the website address is correct because Zapier uses that information to identify and connect your store. Once everything is filled in, click Connect. Zapier will then authenticate your WooCommerce account and establish the connection. If your details are correct, the setup should complete successfully and your WooCommerce store will now be connected to Zapier. After that, you're ready to start building workflows and automations between WooCommerce and the other apps you use every day. This can help you automate order handling, customer updates, notifications, and much more. And that's it. Your WooCommerce to Zapier connection is complete. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and useful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.